You are about to learn how to blur a person's face in CapCut. This is very useful if you want to hide someone's face in a video. If you find value in this video, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and consider subscribing for more videos like this in the future. So let's get started. Open CapCut and create a new project. Add your video to the project, and we are going to blur the face of the first person in this video. First of all, let's go to Effects at the bottom, click on Effects, then click on Video Effects. Let's search for blur. Select one of the blur effects. Let's go back, click on OK, and we're going to adjust the blur to cover the entire video. To adjust the intensity of the blur, simply click on Adjust at the bottom and you can adjust the intensity of the blur. Next, we're going to duplicate the video. Select the video and scroll to Duplicate. Click on Duplicate, and now we're going to overlay the second video on top of the previous one. To do that, simply click on Overlay and we're going to drag this to the beginning. Next, we're going to select the second video and scroll to Mask. Click on Mask and we're going to select the circle option. And we're going to click on Invert at the bottom left corner. And now we're going to move the blur on top of the face. And we can use these buttons on the screen to resize the blur like this and cover it nicely on the face. So click on OK. And as you can see, since the person is moving, it will get to a point where the blur is not covering his face entirely. So we're going to fix that using keyframes. Go to the beginning of the clip and click on keyframes icon here, and you're going to move to somewhere here. Then go to Mask and you're going to move the blur effect to cover the face. So you're going to repeat this until the end. So that is how to blur a person's face in CapCut.